Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Patricia Prince. This is my first official YouTube video, and so a goal I made for myself in 2018 is to learn brush lettering. So I'm hoping that you guys are here to watch me as I grow on this journey, or if you are also doing the same thing, that's awesome. I hope that we can go through this journey together. And I'm also very open to tips and tricks that you guys have learned along the way, as I am learning from other YouTubers and I'm also learning from people on Instagram. And so I'm hoping to hopefully see you guys back on my channel, and I plan to upload more videos. I'm actually just really learning about this whole new process, and so hopefully you guys will be back. And if you guys like what you see, hopefully you guys will subscribe to my channel, and we'll continue to grow together. So I'm excited to see what the future holds. But thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want, go ahead and take a look at me on Instagram. There probably will only be one photo on there, but hopefully I'm gonna grow that soon. But thank you so much.